Yay! We haven't had this in a while.
Urgent weather message for the following county, Stark County, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Stark County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Massillon, or 12 miles west of Canton, and moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Massillon, Invar, Perry Heights, Hills and Dales, Myers Lake, Canton, East Sparta, Waynesburg, Magnolia, East Canton. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely.
Man, it's been a while since I got one of these. It's been like a couple of years since it's been a couple of years since I got a tornado warning. So, kick ass. Yeah.